Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling NFC and opening Google Pay. This lets your phone act like a card. Once done, tap Payments and choose Add Card to scan or type numbers. You'll enter the billing address and accept terms. Google verifies with your bank by SMS or email. Make sure your phone screen lock is set. This protects contactless payments. If prompted, complete any two-factor steps from the issuer so the card shows as verified and ready to use. Next, you verify the card and configure how it's used. When verification arrives, enter the code or confirm within your bank app. This finalizes the link. Then, make the card your default if you want Tap to Pay to use it automatically. Also, check settings to enable transaction alerts and set spending limits when available, because this helps you spot fraud quickly. Finally, decide whether to allow online or recurring charges, and save those preferences before you test a payment. To pay in stores, wake your phone, unlock, and tap the terminal. Hold briefly until you see a check or vibration. That confirms the transaction. For apps or websites, choose Google Pay at checkout and authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. If a payment fails, first restart your phone and ensure NFC is enabled. Make sure the card shows verified in the app and that your bank hasn't blocked transactions. If problems persist, try another terminal or contact your card issuer for specific decline reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.